Good morning, class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will start reading from page number 117, and today's topic is
images as links. An image can also be used as a hyperlink to another document. So you can also use image to create a hyperlink to another document. When you click on that image, a new document will appear. Let us see an example. Type the following HTML code in the file image.html. HTML tag, head tag is included, title tag is started, adding image link, title tag is closed, then head tag is closed. Body tag is started, img source full path, as the file does not exist on the same directory in which the HTML file is present. C drive, users folder, and then PC folder, inside it pictures, and then the picture. Types of computer.jpg, body tag is closed, and then HTML tag is closed. See, this is the picture. Types of computer. Now type the following HTML code and define the link for image.html file. This is the image.html file. So we are defining the link. Now HTML tag is started, head tag, inside head tag, title tag is included, image link, title tag is closed, then head tag is closed. Body tag is started, then a link is created with anchor tag, href, source of image, link to an file, that is image.html. img source is equals to C drive, users folder, then PC folder, inside PC folder pictures folder that contains the image. Height is equals to 95 and width is equals to 50. So height of the image is 95 and width is 50, and it is a good practice to specify height and width to an image, as it helps the web page load faster and even look better while they are downloading. And then anchor tag is closed, then body tag is closed, and then HTML tag is closed. So this is types of computer. When you click on this image, then this image.html file will be open. So image can also be used to create a link between two web pages within the same document or on another document. Note that in HTML code written above, you must replace computer.jpg and types of computer.jpg with the name or path of the image you have in your computer. So when you are typing this in your computer, this HTML code, you must replace these two images file with the path that exists on your computer.
using image as a background.
You can use any image file as a background for a page. This we can achieve by using the background attribute of the body tag. So if you want to use an image file as a background, see here image is used as a background for a page. You can achieve it using the background attribute of the body tag. HTML tag is started, head tag, inside head tag, title tag is given. Title is using background image, title tag is closed, then head tag is closed. Body tag is started, top margin is equals to 100, background is equals to scene1.jpg. This is the path of the image file that is used as a background. Font size is equals to 10, color is equals to white. Paragraph tag is started, align is equals to center, a beautiful scenery. P tag is closed, and then font tag is closed. Then body tag is closed. At last HTML tag is closed. See here, scene1.jpg is used as a background for a page, and a text is a beautiful scenery, and its color is white and size is 10. Note, the background attribute overrides the BG color attribute. So if both of these attributes are used in an HTML page, the background image will appear on top of the background color. So background attribute overrides the bg color attribute. Override means succeeds. That means if you are using background and bg color attribute in an HTML page, then the background image will appear on top of the background color. Background color will hide within the background image. So it overrides the bg color if you are using both attributes at the same time in a web page. Creating an email link. Here bg color attribute is for whole HTML document, whereas a background color is for a single HTML page. And overrides means cancel. It will cancel the bg color attribute and it will takes over. Next is creating an email link. You can create a link on a web page by using mail to attribute, which allows visitors to send an email message quickly. Mail to is not actually an HTML tag, but a separate program or a function that you can use from within the HTML tags. It creates a link that allows the user to write and send an email to a specified address, and address is specified using mail to. You can even specify multiple addresses by separating each one with the comma and space. So you can even write more than one address in this attribute by separating each of them with the comma and space. The mail to function is supported by all major browsers. This function is supported by all the major browsers. So using this attribute, you can use from within the HTML tag to write and send an email to a specified address quickly. A mail to link is clickable text that automatically opens a new email in reader's default email client such as Outlook or Gmail and pre-fills the to email address. It is useful when you want emails on certain topics to go to the designated email account or employee. This is the program. HTML tag is started, then head tag is written. Inside head tag, title tag is included, that is using email link. Title tag is closed and then head tag is closed. Body tag is started. bg color is equals to pink. Left margin is equals to 75. Top margin is equals to 50. Background color is pink. Left margin is 75 and top margin is 50. Heading level 1. You are welcome to mail us your suggestions regarding our books. H1 tag is closed. Then break tag is inserted. Center tag. Anchor tag is used. Here we are creating a link to email address using mail to function. href is equals to mail to info@kips.in. Kips Learning Solutions Private Limited. Anchor tag is closed. Then center tag is closed. Body tag is closed and HTML tag is closed. See? Kips Learning Solutions Private Limited. When you click on this link, the default email program will open and display the specified email address in the to field that you have mentioned in href attribute. This address will specify in the to field in the default email program, and you can send email to specified address instantly.